Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to be learning about syntax and properties. CSS is composed of rules that defines how elements on the web page should be styled. And those rules consist of two parts. We have selectors and we have properties. Now, selectors are the rules that this size applies to, and properties are basically the declaration block where you put in all the styles you want to give to a particular element. Now let's look at selectors. Now, a simple definition of selectors is selectors are used to target the HTML element you want to style, or they point things to the HTML element you want to style. So let's see how selectors works. Now we have a div right here that says hello world. Now I want to style hello world. I want hello world to have maybe a background color, a text color, a font size, or I just want to style any word. Now how do I point to hello world? Since I am not using inline styling, just as we look at in our previous HTML videos, we are not using inline styling now to style hello world. We want to style hello world with another method, which we are going to get into. So how do I point to hello world without putting the style inside the div tag? Now, this is where selectors come in. So hello world is embedded between a div tag. So I'll have to call hello world using the div. Now, if this div were to be a paragraph, maybe in P or any other tag, then I would change this to P. But in this case, we are using a div instead of a paragraph tag. So I want hello world to have a color and maybe red. Now, this is where properties and value comes in. Now, we've used the selector to target hello world. Now, properties are more like a specific name, a generic name. Properties are more like a generic name. Now, we want hello world to have a color. Now, we've defined the general name. Then, values are more like a specific name. So, we have color. Now, which color do I want to add? Is it red? Is it blue? Is it green? So we have to define the color we want to apply to every word. So properties serves as the generic name and values serve as the specific name. Now, if we were to add a background color, I would do the same thing. Background color here is a property and white here is a value. The same way I could say text align. Text align is a property, and the possible value of text alignment is either right, left, center. So maybe I want any words to move to the center, then I just do that. So this is all about selectors and properties. Selectors are what points to the HTML element you want to style, and then we also have properties and values. Now, we can see that after each properties, we have a colon, and then after each values, we have a semicolon. So this is just a declaration block, and then we use colon to separate the property, and then we use semicolon to end the statement. It's more like a full stop. So after property, you have colon, and after semicolon, after value, you have a semicolon. Okay. So this is all about properties and values and selectors. In our next video, we're going to be exploring the ways that we can add styling to our HTML documents. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.